So good afternoon. Today we'll start with new drug, antimonium crudum. You can see the picture of mineral or metal antimonium crudum. So its common name is black sulfide of antimony. So antimony is metal, and when it combines with sulfur element, it makes the antimonium crudum, that is black sulfide of antimony. Its formula is Sb2S3 and prover is Dr. Kaspari. The remedy from mineral kingdom, the crude drug substance, the compound formed by antimony and sulfur. The antimonium crudum is compared with race of swine. As I told you while teaching aconite, arsenic is compared to horse. Like that, antimonium crudum is compared with swine. Swine means pig. So it is compared with pig. Arsenic is compared to horse. And pulsatilla is compared to sheep. So antimony is a metal which lies in the periodic table between arsenic and bismuth. If you remember the periodic table in chemistry in 11th or 12th, this is the periodic table. So from behind the fourth column at in fourth row, antimony, that is Sb. It is in between arsenic As and Bi, that is arsenic and bismuth. So the remedies of the group, in that group, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. So the main theme of that column is that they exclude others and isolate themselves. Means phosphorus, arsenic, antimonium and bismuth. They shut out or exclude others and isolate themselves. Isolate means त्यांना एकटं राहायला आवडतं, सगळ्यांपासून वेगळं राहायला आवडतं. So they isolate themselves. And how to differentiate them? First, phosphorus feels that he is not getting enough attention and feels secure only when amongst a lot of friends and receiving a lot of attention and love. What he feels that he is not getting enough attention and he is not feeling secure. So he goes out and makes a lot of friends. If you heard something about phosphorus, that they are very jolly and lovely people. They make friends easily. But what is the reason behind them? That why they make friends easily and why they behave like very lovely and very affectionate? It's the reason that they are not getting enough attention by their close ones. So they go outside and makes many friends and they feel secure in lot of friends. And by they feel better when they receive lot of attention and love. So it is the theme of phosphorus. Now what is the theme of arsenic? Arsenic feels that the world as a threatening and they feel isolated and insecure. They feel secure in company of only in few people. How phosphorus feels secure? They feel secure in lot of people, lot of friends. Arsenic feels secure only in few people. After that, antimony feels that he has been disappointed. म्हणजे त्यांना डिसअपॉइंटमेंट भेटतं आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्यांना असं वाटतं की आपण एकटं राहायला पाहिजे. सो ही हॅज बीन डिसअपॉइंटेड अँड नीड्स टू isolate himself. So he feels secure in the company of still fewer people. Arsenic has only few people and antimony त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी लोकांमध्ये त्यांना चांगलं वाटतं. म्हणजे आर्सेनिकला 10 लोकांमध्ये चांगलं वाटत असेल तर अँटिमोनियमला 5 किंवा 4 लोकांमध्ये चांगलं वाटेल. So they feel secure company of still fewer people. And after that, bismuth comes. They feel very alone and will be secure in the company of only one person. That is the mother. So this is the differentiating feature of isolating remedies. The remedies which fails to isolate themselves, it is the difference. So what are the remedies? Phosphorus, arsenic, antimonium and bismuth. This is the differentiating features. So antimony chloride means sulfide of antimony. In periodic table, it's only antimony. It's not antimonium crudum. It's only antimony. So what is the theme of antimony? It is being let down and disappointed by others. And therefore, the need of narrows one circle and to isolate oneself. Means they feel that they are disappointed by other people and they should live lonely or live single and to isolate म्हणजे लोकांपासून लांब राहायची इच्छा होते त्यांना. But as antimony is mixed with sulfur, what is the theme of sulfur? Theme of sulfur is theorizing and fantasizing. What is meaning of theorizing? That is making philosophies, making many theories, assumptions, and fantasizing. They makes the things beautiful. Like even if sulfur is known as rank philosopher, means they can make a philosophy on worst things also. Means any simple flower, they can make a philosophy on flower. They can fantasize it. So as it is combined with sulfur, the combined theme is a person who has narrowed himself down and who starts fantasizing. Means here is a mix of feeling of antimony and sulfur. Antimony is they are feeling disappointed and they feel there is a need for isolation. So they make their own circle and make isolate themselves. But as it is the combination with sulfur, the theme of sulfur is theorizing and fantasizing. So combined theme is a person who has narrowed himself down, that is a person who has isolated himself and they starts fantasizing. They starts making their own theories, start making philosophy. So what is the main theme? The patient finds the world around him is so disappointing that he simply shuts it out and conjures upon illusionary ideal world that he starts living in. Means they feel disappointed by world and start making their illusionary and ideal world. Means for example, if they feel disappointed in love, so they shuts out the world and lives alone and feels that love should be like their theory and they make ideal love and start that living in that world only. So lives alone and lives in fantasized world. He longs for that which he misses or has been disappointed by. He becomes nostalgic. What is meaning of nostalgic? That is living in the past things which are very beautiful for themselves and longs for the past. Means इच्छा होते त्यांना त्याच जगात परत जगण्याची. For his native land or for the ideal woman, the woman of his dreams. So he becomes poetic and sentimental. Poetry often expresses his inner wishes. So he becomes poetic and sentimental. And poetry often expresses his inner wishes. He is lost in his own idealization. So antimonium crudum idea is perfection of the real. Perhaps practically it is impossible, but fundamentally reality best. For example, he may be disappointed in love and then projects all his idealization onto another woman and she becomes his dream girl. So after that also he does not want to face reality of things because reality is so disappointing for him that he could become suicidal. and he wants to commit suicide by drowning. He becomes dull, does not want to be touched or approached, does not want to be looked or spoken to, and does not like any attention. So, समझ लगा what is the antimony? Antimony crudum. It is the mix of sulfur and antimony. What is the theme of antimony? Antimony theme is being let down and disappointed by others, and therefore they need to narrow one's circles and isolate themselves. And theme of sulfur is theorizing and fantasizing. So when they combine, they form a person who has narrowed himself down and who starts fantasizing. The patient finds world around him is so disappointing that he simply shuts it out and makes his own illusionary and ideal world. In that he starts living. He longs for that which he misses or has been disappointed by. He becomes nostalgic and longs for the past, for his native land, for the ideal woman, the woman of his dreams. And for that, he becomes poetic and sentimental. His poetry often expresses his inner wishes, and he is lost in his idealization. Antimonium crudum's idea is perfection of the real. Perhaps practically it is impossible, but fundamentally it is reality based. For example, he may be disappointed in love and then projects all his idealization. What he makes his ideal things, he projects his idealization onto another woman, and that woman becomes his dream girl. He does not want to face the reality of things because reality is so disappointing that he could become suicidal, and he wants to commit suicide by drowning. He becomes dull, does not want to be touched or approached, does not want to be looked at or spoken to, and does not like any attention. He is fond of solitude. What is meaning of solitude? That is living alone. So he likes to be alone, and especially likes to be by himself in the moonlight. He likes to be in the moonlight. And by sitting in moonlight, he starts making poetry. He is very cross, contradictive. Whatever is done fails to give satisfaction to him. He is very sulky, does not wish to speak. Child cannot bear be touched or looked at, angry at every little attention. And also there is a sentimental mood. Then what is the constitution of antim crudum? As I already told, that is antim crudum is compared with swine. So remember swine and antim crude. So how swine it is? Very unhealthy looking, unhealthy skin, dirty looking, fatty. So it is also suited to children and young people who are inclined to grow fat and also having tendency to thick, unhealthy skin. So what is the constitution? They are suited to children and young people who are inclined to grow fat and having tendency to thick, unhealthy skin. Thermal, the patient is affected by extremes of heat and cold. So there is no specific thermal, that is hot or chilly. They are affected by both temperatures. Miasm, it covers psora and psychotic miasm. Its diathesis is rheumatic and gouty diathesis. Means mainly joint complaints are there. Sphere of action. It mainly acts on mucous membranes, especially stomach and skin, acts on skin and mind. Pathogenesis. It causes disorganization and vital depression of mucous membranes of stomach and intestine. They interfere with digestion, creating a catarrhal condition. Catarrhal means mucus producing. causes catarrhal condition in intestinal canal, resulting in alternate diarrhea and constipation. Means one patient is suffering from diarrhea and after that constipation. So it is alternate. Clinically it is indicated for catarrh, constipation, cons, diarrhea, sore fits and horny fits, fever, skin affections and warts. And what are the causation in antim crude? The causation, the first cause is disappointment in love, river or cold bathing, alcohol, deranged digestion, acids, fats, fruits, suppressed skin eruptions, overheating, overeating, and extremes of heat and cold. So what are causative factors in antimicrobial? That is disappointed love, river or cold bathing, alcohol, deranged digestion, acids, fats, fruits, suppressed skin eruptions, overheating, overeating, and extremes of heat and cold. Then keynotes, a thick milky white coating on tongue. It is a very important characteristic symptom of antim crude, that is thick milky white coating on the tongue. There is also disposition to abnormal growth of skin, for example warts, corns, and also thickened skin in eczema. Symptoms, when reappear, they change the locality or side. Means, for example, a patient has eczema on left forearm, but when we give medicines for that eczema, it goes, and when it reappears, it appears on right side arm or any other locality. So when symptoms reappear, they change their locality or sites. There is a great desire for acids and pickles. Aversion to cold bathing. The main keynote is they cannot bear to be touched or looked at. म्हणजे त्यांना हात लावलेलं किंवा त्यांच्याकडे बघितलेलं त्यांना आवडत नाही. So, what are the main important keynotes? A thick milky white coating on tongue, cannot bear to be touched or looked at. Head complaints. There is a aching which is worse in vertex. On ascending, from bathing, from disordered stomach, especially from eating candy or drinking acid wine. Also headache due to suppressed eruptions. There is heaviness in forehead with vertigo, nausea and nosebleed. Also there is a headache with great loss of hairs. Face, pimples, it is suited to pimples, pustules and boils on the face. आवाज येतोय माझा? आवाज येतोय माझा?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Ma'am, पाठीमागे.
So in face, it is indicated in pimples, pustules and boils on the face. Also yellow crusted eruptions on cheeks and chin. In throat complaints, there is a much thick yellowish mucus from posterior nails. There is continuous hawking in open air, means they have to clear the throat continuously. Also indicated for laryngitis and rough voice from overuse. In stomach complaints, there is a loss of appetite, desire for acids and pickles. What is the meaning of acids? Means they having desire for acid drinks like alcohol, or lemon water, acidic drinks. There is a thirst in the evening and night. They feel thirsty in the evening and night. Irritations, which are tasting of ingesta. Heartburn, nausea and vomiting. After nursing, the child vomits its milk in curds and refuses to nurse after years and is very cross and irritable child. Also, gastric and intestinal complaints from bread and pastry, acid, sour wine, cold bathing, overheating, and hot weather. There is a constant belching, sweetish water gush, and bloating after eating. Stools. There is a continuous anal itching, also seen in sulfur calcareum and alumina. There is a diarrhea which is alternating with constipation, especially in old peoples. There is a diarrhea after acids, sour wine, bath, overeating, and which is slimy and flatulent stool. Mucus in the piles. There is a continuous oozing of mucus from rectum. There is hard lumps mixed with watery discharge. Also suited for catarrhal proctitis. Proctitis means inflammation of rectum. Proctitis. Stools composed of entirely of mucus. In respiratory complaints, the cough, which is worse, coming into the warm room with burning sensation in the chest. There is a itching of the chest with oppressed feeling. Loss of voice from becoming overheated. Means even if there is a overheat, they feel loss of voice. Voice is harsh and badly pitched. Skin complaints. There is a eczema with gastric derangements. So it is very peculiar. Eczema with gastric derangements. Also used for pimples, vesicles and pustules. The skin is very sensitive to cold bathing. Thick, hard and honey-colored scabs are there. Used in urticaria and also measles-like eruptions. Itching when warm in bed. Means after lying, when bed becomes warm, there is a itching. Dry skin also indicated for warts. The other remedies for warts, thuja, sabina and causticum. Also suited for dry gangrene. There is a scaly pustular eruptions with burning and itching, which is worse at night. There is an abnormal growth of skin. The skin becomes very thick at various places. The fingernails do not grow rapidly. The crushed nails grow in and split like warts and horny spots. Horny means horn-like, kata circle. So large horny cones on the soles of the feet, which are very sensitive when walking. Also, corners of mouth are cracked and fissured. So in antium-crude, the main asked question is skin complaints of antium-crude and mentals of antium-crude. Sleep. There is a continual drowsiness in old people. Modalities. Aggravation. They are worse in the evening, worse by heat, acids, wine, water, washing and wet poultices. And amelioration by they are better in open air, better by rest and by moist warmth. Relationship. They are compared with Bryonia, Ipecac, Lyco and Pulsatilla. Mainly gastric complaints are compared with Bryonia, Ipecac, Lyco and Pulsatilla. They are complementary to sulfur and squilla and antidoted by Hippalsulf and Calcarea calm. So we will revise again. Today's remedy is antimonium crudum. The common name is black sulfide of antimony. Formula is Sb2S3. Provider is Dr. Caspari. It is the main remedy from mineral kingdom, and it is the compound formed by antimony and sulfur. The antimony crude is compared to the race of swine. So antimony crude is compared with swine. Like swine, there is constitution also same. The thick skin, tendency to grow fat, unhealthy skin. And similar to antimony crude, arsenic is compared to horse and pulsatilla compared to sheep. Antimony is a metal which lies in periodic table between arsenic and bismuth. So, between arsenic and bismuth. And same column contain phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So these remedies, main theme is isolation. So how they differs? That phosphorus feels that he is not getting enough attention and feels secure only when amongst lot of friends and receiving lot of attention and love. Arsenic views that the world as a threatening and feels isolated and insecure. He feels secure in the company of only few people. And compared with antimonium, they feels that he has been disappointed and needs to isolate himself. He feels secure in the company of very fewer peoples. And after that bismuth, they feels very alone and will be secure in company of only one person. That is mother. So antimony's main feeling, we have seen that they are being let down and disappointed by others, and therefore they have need to narrow one circle and to isolate themselves. And the sulfur theme is theorizing and fantasizing. So when we combine antimony and sulfur, it is the person who has narrowed himself down and who starts fantasizing. The patient finds the world around him so disappointing that he simply shuts it out and conjures up illusionary ideal world that he starts living in. He longs for that which he misses or has been disappointed by. He becomes nostalgic and longs for the past things, for his native land or for ideal woman or women of his dream. He becomes poetic and sentimental. The poetry often expresses his inner wishes. He is lost in his idealization. So antimonium cruden's idea is perfection of the real. Perhaps it is practically impossible, but fundamentally reality based. For example, he may be disappointed in love and then projects all his idealization onto the another woman, and she becomes his dream girl. Also, he does not want to face the reality of things because reality is so disappointing that he becomes suicidal. He wants to commit suicide by drowning. He becomes dull, does not want to be touched or approached, does not want to look at or spoken to, and does not like any attention. He is fond of solitude, means he likes to be alone and especially likes to be by himself in moonlight. They are very cross and contradictory. Whatever is done fails to give satisfaction to them. They are very sulky, does not wish to speak. Child cannot bear to be touched or looked at. They are angry at every little attention. There is a sentimental mood. Constitution suited to children and young people who are inclined to grow fat. They have a tendency to thick, unhealthy skin. Thermally, there is no specific thermal. Patient is affected by extremes of heat and cold. Miasm, it covers soda and psychosis. Diathesis, mainly rheumatic and gouty diathesis. Means they have tendency for joint complaints. Sphere of action, it mainly acts on mucous membranes, especially stomach and intestine. Also acts on skin and mind. Pathogenesis, it causes catarrhal conditions of intestinal canal resulting in alternate diarrhea and constipation. Clinically, it is indicated for catarrh, constipation, cons, diarrhea, feet are sore and horny feet, fever, skin affections, and warts. Positive factors: disappointed love, fever or cold bathing, alcohol, deranged digestion, acids, fats, fruits, suppressed skin eruptions, overeating, and extremes of heat and cold. The main important keynote of antimicrobial is a thick, milky white coating on tongue. There is a disposition to abnormal growth of skin, for example, warts, corns, thickened skin in eczema. Symptoms when reappear, change the locality or side. There is a great desire for acids and pickles. There is aversion to cold bathing, and they cannot bear to be touched or looked at. In head complaints, there is aching, which is worse in the vertex region. The headache caused due to ascending from bleeding, from disordered stomach, especially from eating candy or drinking acid wines, headache from suppressed skin eruptions. There is a heaviness in forehead with vertigo, and it is associated with nausea and nosebleed. Headache with great loss of hairs. In face, there is a pimples, pustules, and boils on the face. Yellow crusted eruptions on cheeks and chin. In throat complaint, there is a much thick yellowish mucus from posterior nails, hawking in the open air, indicated for laryngitis, rough voice from overuse. In stomach complaints, loss of appetite, desire for acids and pickles, thirsty in the evening and night, eruptions, tasting of ingesta, heartburn, nausea and vomiting. After nursing means after breastfeeding, the child vomits its milk in curd form and refuses to nurse afterwards and is very cross and irritable child. Gastric and intestinal complaints from bread and pastry, acids, sour wine, cold bathing, overheating and hot weather. There is a constant belching, sweetish water brush, bloating after eating. In gastric stool complaints, there is a continuous anal itching. Diarrhea alternates with constipation, especially in old peoples. Diarrhea after acids, sour wine, bath, overeating, slimy flatulent stools. Mucus piles with continued oozing of mucus. Hard lumps mixed with watery discharge, indicated for catarrh proctitis. Stools composed of entirely mucus. Respiratory complaints, cough which is worse into the warm room with burning sensation in chest, itching of chest, oppression, loss of voice from becoming overheated, voice is harsh and badly pitched. In skin complaints, eczema with gastric derangement. It is the important characteristic, eczema with gastric derangements. Pimples, vesicle and pustules, sensitive to cold bathing, thick, hard, honey-colored scabs, urticaria, measles-like eruptions, itching when warm in bed. The skin is very dry, indicated for warts. Other remedies are Thuja, Sabina and Causticum. Dry gangrene. There is a scaly pustular eruptions with burning and itching, which is worse at night. There is abnormal growth of skin. The skin becomes very thick at various places. Single nails do not grow rapidly. Crushed nails grow in and split like warts and horny spots. There are large horny corns on the soles of the feet, which are very sensitive when walking. Corners of mouth are cracked and fissured. Sleep, there is a continued drowsiness in old people. Modalities, aggravation is worse in the evening from heat, acids, wine, water, washing and wet poultices. Amelioration, they are better in open air, during rest, and moist warm weather. Relationship, they are compared to Bryonia, Ipecac, Lycopodium pulsatilla. Mainly GIT complaints are compared, complementary to sulfur, Squilla, and antidoted by Hepar and Calcarea carb. So today's drug is antimonium tartaricum. Yesterday we have seen antimonium crudum. Today is antimonium tartaricum. Short form is antim-tart. So its common name is tartar emetic. It is brewed by Dr. Staff. And its chemical formula is 2K-SbO C4H4O6 H2O2. It is due to emetic influence. What is meaning of word emetic? Emetic means which causes vomiting. ज्याच्यामुळे vomiting होऊ शकतं असे substance. Emetic. It is due to emetic influence of tartarized. What is meaning of tartarized? That is, it should be combined or treat with tartar or potassium bitartrate. Antimony, that this medicine got its name tartar emetic. Hence yesterday we have seen antimony metal. That metal is combined with potassium bitartrate. So it makes the new element that is tartar emetic. In ancient period, the emetic is the substance which when taken can make a person vomiting. So it is used for inducing the vomiting. Vomiting is under the control of nerve center, which is present at the base of the brain in medulla oblongata. So it acts on medulla oblongata. The nerve centers which are present in medulla oblongata, it acts on that and it causes vomiting. The medicine acts not only on those nerve centers but also acts on pneumogastric nerves to produce pneumonia and bronchitis. So its main sphere of action is on respiratory organs, salivary glands, mucous membranes, brain, nerve and skin. Its pathogenesis, it acts on pneumogastric nerve, causes depression of respiration and circulation, and other symptoms resembling pneumonia, bronchitis and asthma. So main sphere of action is on respiratory system and circulation, which results in pneumonia, bronchitis and asthma. Whereas nausea and vomiting are the main manifestation of its influence on the medulla oblongata. While on mucous membrane, it establishes catarrhal inflammation. Meaning of catarrhal inflammation, that is mucus producing. It causes catarrhal inflammation and leads to increased secretions. On the skin, it causes pustular eruptions which resembles like smallpox. So clinically, it is useful in alcoholism, aphtha, that is stomatitis, useful in asphyxia neonatum, means acute respiratory syndrome in neonates, asthma, bronchitis, catarrh, chickenpox, cholera, cough, fever, lung affection, that is in pneumonia, rheumatism, vomiting and whooping cough. So these are clinical conditions in which it is used. So what is the constitution of antim-tart? Antim-tart has got hydrogenoid constitution of glycol. What is the meaning of hydrogenoid? Means the persons who has tendency for water retention. Means water accumulation ची tendency असते त्यांची. The Gravigol, he is the scientist which has given the many types of constitutions. Mainly three types are main: oxygenoid, nitrooxygenoid and hydrogenoid. In that, antim-tart is hydrogenoid constitution. Hydrogenoid means the persons who has tendency to accumulate fluids. Also, they are torpid. The meaning of torpid is they are mentally or physically inactive, lethargic, आळशी म्हणतो आपण, आळशी person. Phlegmatic means the persons who does not usually get emotional or excited about things. So constitution is hydrogenide constitution, torpid and phlegmatic persons. Miasm, it covers sora and psychosis miasm. Diathesis is Scrophulus diathesis, means has glandular tendency. Thermal, no specific thermal, they are sensitive for heat as well as cold. Then element sum, that is causation. What are main causative factors? That is anger, vexation. Vexation means excessive anger. The stage more than anger, vexation. Smallpox, after eating. The main causation is vaccination. In many children, we have seen any vaccine, after vaccine, the patient suffering from asthma, we can use the remedy Antim Tart. So, we can use Antim Tart for bad effects of vaccination, especially asthma. Damp weather, debility and debauchery. So these are causative factors for Antim Tart. Then keynotes, they are usually suited for disease which are originating from exposure to damp basements or cellars and after vaccination. दमट वातावरणात किंवा समुद्रकिनारी जे राहणारे असतात सेलर्स आणि वॅक्सिनेशन नंतर. There is a great accumulation of mucus in the air passage as it causes action on centers, respiratory centers which are present in medulla oblongata. So it produces mucus. So there is a accumulation of mucus in the air passages which cannot be coughed out. So it is difficult to expectorate. So that it gives rattling sound. Rattling means घरघरणे, खुळखुळ्यासारखा आवाज येणे. Rattling sound. That rattling sound is popularly known as death rattle. So as there is a great accumulation in the mucus and that mucus cannot be coughed out, there is a difficulty in expectoration. So that accumulated mucus causes rattling sound. Means घरघर आवाज येतो किंवा खुळखुळ्यासारखा आवाज येतो. It is known as death rattle. Due to that mucus which is accumulated in the respiratory tract, patient cannot breathe properly. Due to that, face becomes pale. Cyanosed. Cyanosed means bluish appearance and flushed due to circulation of unoxidized blood. Why? Because there is a difficulty in inspiration as well as expiration. So there is a deficiency of oxygen. So blood is unoxidized or more in carbon dioxide. So the face is pale, cyanosed, that is bluish appearance, or flushed due to circulation of unoxidized blood, and face is covered with cold sweat. There is a nausea, vomiting, coldness and prostration run through this remedy. All complaints are attended with irresistible desire to sleep. Means there is a continuous desire for sleep. The patient feels continuously drowsy. The other remedies for desire to sleep are Nux mosciata, Ethusa and Gelsemium. There is an excessive craving for apples and acids, like we have seen in aloes. So there is an excessive craving for apples and acids. Desire for acids, acid fruits, apples, also for cold water and strong liquors. There is aversion to milk and tobacco. The patient has vomiting in any position except when lying on right side. They vomit until they faints, and that fainting is followed by drowsiness, prostration and sleepiness. There is also pneumonia with jaundice. Also useful in bad effects of vaccination. Other remedies are thuja and silicea. But antiemtar produces asthma after vaccination. There is also pustular eruption like smallpox. It is a great symptom of antiemtar. Pustular means pus filling eruptions. So you can see this baby which is having rattling chest, and his mother says if only he could cough it up. In mind, there is a confusion of head with a feeling as if he must sleep. Child will not allow himself to be touched, as it includes anthem element. The child is angry, irritable, and not allow itself to be touched. There is a bad humor, that is bad thoughts during bronchial catarrh. Apprehension and restlessness during the evening. There is a dread of being left alone. Mental excitement and nervousness. The patient is frightened at night. Anthem-tart mentals are not so peculiar like anthem crude. It is the main remedy for respiratory complaints. Then in face, the face is pale, sickly, the nose is drawn and shrunken, the eyes are sunken, and there are dark rings around the eyes. The lips are also pale and shriveled. The nostrils are dilated and flapping. There is a dark, sooty appearance of the nostrils. The face is covered with cold sweat, and it is cold and pale for looking. The expression is that of suffering. Means नेहमी आजारी असल्यासारखा त्यांचा लुक असतो. Suffering look, sickly look असतो. There is a perspiration on mainly forehead. Gastrointestinal symptoms. The symptoms are due to overeating. Overeating causes yawning and drowsiness. Vomiting in any position except when lying on right side. The vomitus is a green, watery and frothy. Due to violent straining, there is a tendency to vomit. Then tongue, like anthem crude, anthem tart's tongue is also covered with thick white pasty coat, which has red streak, which is very red and dry in the middle. Means except middle part of the tongue, all other tongue is covered with white thick pasty coat. On the tongue, there are small pustules which are very painful. The anthem tart patient is thirstless patient. Then Asiatic cholera. What is meaning of Asiatic cholera? Cholera is Nemisarcus cholera, that is gastrointestinal symptoms, which is caused due to Vibrio cholerae. But the epidemic, which was a very large epidemic which caused in Asia, so it is called as Asiatic cholera. It is normal cholera, but it is endemic, which was very big in Asia, so it is called as Asiatic cholera. There is an incessant diarrhea and vomiting until the patient faints. Means profuse diarrhea and vomiting until patient faints. The patient has inordinate craving for apple and very much sleepy after vomiting. The nausea is better and relieved after vomiting. Vomiting in any position except when lying on right side. diarrhea and constipation, which alternates itself. Respiratory symptoms. Antimtat is a wonderful remedy for many diseases of respiratory tract like pneumonia, bronchitis, and asthma. The main cause is exposure to damp basements and cellars and bad effects of vaccination. The main aggravating time is evening and at 3 a.m. The patient, compelling the patient, that suffocation means difficulty in breathing, compelling the patient to sit up due to aggravation of cough with less or no expectoration of mucus. There is a difficulty in expectoration. The mucus accumulates in respiratory tract. It is difficult to throw out. So there is a loud rattling due to large accumulation of mucus in the bronchi, which can be heard across the entire room without stethoscope. It is useful remedy in the last stage of pneumonia when the resolution takes place, which is much more rapidly than absorption and expectoration, so that lungs are filled with mucus and pus. This is the best remedy which is useful. There will be marked dyspnea, difficulty in breathing. The concomitants with respiratory symptoms, that is pulse is rapid, weak and trembling type of pulse. The face becomes hypocritic. Hypocritic means cyanosed. Hypocritic and covered with beads of cold sweat. Hypocritic means confused look, idiotic look. Hypocritic and covered with beads of cold sweat. There will be fan-like motion of Allen-Azar and face become cyanotic, blue and pale. Cyanosis means bluish appearance of skin and mucous membranes. Also useful remedy in asphyxia neonatum. Meaning of asphyxia means difficulty in breathing and neonatum means in the neonate stage. So it is difficulty in breathing or acute respiratory distress syndrome in the neonates. So Antimtat is the excellent remedy for asphyxia neonatum. It is most useful where there is a much rattling in the chest and cyanosis. Mechanical asphyxia due to foreign body in the larynx leading to dyspnea means due to foreign body मेकॅनिकल एस्फिक्सिया म्हणजे एखादी फॉरेन बॉडी अडकली लॅरिंग्स मध्ये त्याच्यामुळे जर डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग झाली डिस्निया झाला तर त्यावेळेस सुद्धा आपण ही मेडिसिन यूज करू शकतो. चाइल्ड ॲट बर्थ इज पेल, ब्रेथलेस or gasping although the cord still pulsate. So then we can use Antimtat. Skin complaints, smallpox or pox-like eruptions after pustules which forms painful crust with itching on genitals, scrotum, anus and back with cyanotic condition of face. Reddish rash with itching all over the body. General modalities, there is aggravation in damp weather, lying down at night, warm room, change of weather, mainly spring weather, amelioration in cold open air, sitting upright, expectoration and lying on right side. Relation, it is antidoted by China, Ipecac, Sepia, Hiparsulf. It is compared with Ipecac, Spongia, which are main remedies useful in bronchial asthma. And it is similar to Aconite in croup, Arsenic in asthma, Lycopodium, camphor, Ardum, Hiparsulf in pneumonia, Veratrum album in nausea, vomiting and cold sweat. It is follows well by Ipecac, Arsenic, Pulsatilla, Sepia and sulfur. So in short, Antimtat is the main remedy for respiratory complaints as its main action is on respiratory centers, the nerves which are present in the medulla oblongata, and in medulla oblongata there is a respiratory center. The nerve which comes from medulla oblongata, which mainly acts on our respiratory and GIT symptoms, that is pneumogastric nerves. So its main action is on pneumogastric nerves, it is main remedy for respiratory complaints. Mainly useful in respiratory failure, pneumonia, bronchitis, bronchial asthma, pleurisy. Its common name is tartar emetic, as it is antimony which is tartarized. That is, it is combined with potassium bitartarate. The word emetic means which causes vomiting. It is proved by Dr. Staff. Clinical formula 2K SBO C4H4O6 H2O2. So the emetic, it is the main substance which can make a person to vomit. Sphere of action is on respiratory organs, salivary glands, mucous membranes, brain, nerve and skin. Pathogenesis, it causes depression of respiratory center and causing pneumonia, bronchitis and asthma. It causes catarrhal inflammation and increased secretions in mucous membranes, and on skin it causes pustular eruptions. Clinically, it is indicated in alcoholism, apathy, asphyxia neonatal, asthma, bronchitis, catarrh, chickenpox, cholera, cough, fever, lung affection, mainly pneumonia, rheumatism, vomiting, and whooping cough. Constitution, anthem type has got hydrogenide constitution, means the person who has tendency to accumulate water, useful in torpid persons, that is who are mentally or physically inactive, lethargic persons, phlegmatic persons, that is the persons who does not usually get emotional or excited about things. It's miasm, sora and psychosis miasm. Diathesis, it covers profilus diathesis, means the person who has tendency for glandular complaints. Thermally, the patient is sensitive for heat as well as cold. So there is no specific thermal. Causative factors, the main causative factors are anger, vexation, smallpox, after eating, vaccination, damp weather, keynotes, mainly suited to disease which originates for exposure to damp weather and after vaccination. As there is a great accumulation of mucus in the air passages and which cannot be coughed out, it gives a rattling sound. That rattling sound is known as death rattle. Your face becomes pale, cyanosed and flushed due to circulation of unoxidized blood, and face is covered with cold sweat. There is a nausea, vomiting, coldness and prostration which runs through the remedy. All complaints, this is the important characteristic, all complaints are attended with irresistible desire to sleep. That is, when patient starts with attack of asthma, with asthma, he feels very sleepy or very drowsy. So there is an irresistible desire to sleep. There is an excessive craving for apple and acids like aloes. There is an aversion to milk and tobacco. He vomits until he faints, and which is followed by drowsiness and prostration and sleepiness. Also suited pneumonia with jaundice, bad effects of vaccination. Other remedies are thuja and silicea. In Antemtad, there is a usually asthma after vaccination. Suited to pustular eruptions which are like smallpox. In mind, there is a confusion of head while with feeling as he must sleep. Child will not allow itself to be touched. There is a bad humor during bronchial catarrh. Apprehension and restlessness during evening. The word apprehension means anxiety. There is a dread of being left alone. mental excitement and nervousness. The patient is frightened at night. Face. The face is pale, sickly appearance, idiotic look. The nose is drawn and shrunken. Eyes are also sunken. There are dark rings around the eyes. So main antim-tart patient is looks very suffered or sick look. आजारी असल्यासारखे दिसतात नेहमी. Even if they are having no symptoms, they looks as if they are sick. The face is covered with cold sweat. The expressions are of suffering. There is a perspiration mainly on forehead. Gastrointestinal symptoms: overeating, which causes yawning and drowsiness, vomiting in any position except lying on right side. The vomitus is green, watery and frothy. Due to violent straining, there is a tendency to vomit. Tongue, like antimcrude, their tongue is also covered with thick white pasty coat, but there is a red streak in the middle of the tongue. So except the middle part of the tongue, other part of the tongue is covered with thick white pasty coat. On the tongue there are small pustules which are very painful. The patient is thirstless. Indicated in Asiatic cholera, there is a profuse diarrhea and vomiting until patient faints. See the limit of dehydration. The dehydration is like that. There is a profuse diarrhea and vomiting, and due to that patient faints. The patient has inordinate craving for apple. Patient feels sleepy after vomiting. There is a nausea which is better after vomiting. Respiratory symptom: useful in pneumonia, bronchitis and asthma. The main cause of all respiratory symptoms, it is exposure to damp basements and cellars and bad effects of vaccination. Difficult suffocation in the evening and at 3 a.m. That suffocation compelling the patient to sit up due to aggravation of cough with less or no expectoration of mucus. There is a loud rattling due to large accumulation of mucus in the bronchi, which can be heard across the entire room. Without stethoscope, we can hear the rattling sound of antim-tart. Useful in the last stage of pneumonia, where lungs are filled with mucus and pus. There is a dyspnea, concomitants, rapid, weak and trembling pulse. The face becomes hypocritic, that is idiotic or confused look, and which is covered with cold sweat. There may be fan-like motion of alenazi, and face becomes cyanotic, blue and pale. Useful remedy for asphyxia neonatal. It is an excellent remedy, mostly useful where there is a much rattling in the chest and has cyanosis, that is bluish appearance of skin and mucous membrane. Also indicated in mechanical asphyxia due to foreign body. Child at birth is pale, breathless or gasping. Skin, useful in eruptions which are smallpox-like or pox-like eruptions, and after pustules they form painful crust with itching on genitals, scrotum, anus and back with the cyanotic condition of face. Reddish rash with itching all over the body. Modalities: there is aggravation in damp weather, lying down at night, warm room, change of weather, mainly spring season, amelioration, better in cold open air, sitting upright, better by expectorations, and lying on right side. Relation: it is antidoted by China, Ipecac, Sepia, Hipasal, similar to aconite, arsenic, lyco, camphor, iodine, Hipasal, Viratrem album, and it follows well ipecac, arsenic, pulsatilla, sepia and sulfur.